This video I'm going to show you how to operate an older Kenmore dryer. This particular model is a 400 and it's got the little dial here with the time dry. So what we're going to do, I already got some clothes in here. You open up the compartment and put your washer load into the dryer. Okay, and then what you're going to do from here is set the time dry. If I have a lot of clothes, usually I'll just turn it to 70 and then turn it on. You can do less, or you can do down here to low heat, but I like to do the time dry. Okay, and once you do that, you do want to make sure that there's no lint. And you could see there, wow, whoever did the laundry last did not change the lint. And you want to make sure you change the lint, because if you don't, it can cause a fire, but more importantly, it'll back up into your exhaust here, where it goes outside with all the lint, and your dryer won't heat anymore. It won't heat the clothes. So let's go ahead and close it. Okay, and then you have to push this dial, and you have to push pretty hard on this one, on this particular model. If you don't push it hard enough, it will not go. If for whatever reason you hear it mechanize, it doesn't go, hold it real firmly and push in. And what's interesting about this Kenmore is, I don't know if it's this particular unit, but literally I can open it up and it's still running as I have it on. It's fine. It's been like that for years. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.